Today we will talk about what is AWS CDK. So the AWS Cloud Development Kit is an open source software development framework for defining cloud infrastructure in code and provisioning it through AWS CloudFormation. It enables developers to define their cloud resources using familiar programming languages such as JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, and Go, and etc. So let's talk about some key features about the AWS CDK. Number one, you can define the infrastructure as a code. So with AWS CDK, you can use programming constructs to define your cloud resources in a way that's more expressive and flexible than traditional JSON or YAML CloudFormation templates. You could use it for support. It supports multiple languages. So AWS CDK supports several popular programming languages, allowing developers to use the language they are most comfortable with. Also, we have the reusable components. The CDK includes higher level constructs called AWS Construct Library, which encapsulate AWS best practices. These constructs offer a higher abstraction than what you would get with just CloudFormation. No, it's sorry, this is wrong. 4. So accessibility. So you can create your own constructs that define any number of AWS resources configured in a specific way for your use case. We want to talk about also the integration with AWS services. The CDK is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of AWS services. I would say most of the services, it will be workable with the CDK. 6. We have the local testing. It provides tools to synthesize artifacts such as a CloudFormation templates, which can be used for local testing and debugging. We have number 7, deployment and management. So once your AWS infrastructure is defined in code, the CDK enables you to deploy and manage it through AWS CloudFormation, ensuring consistent and repeatable setups. Also, we have best practices by the end, which being provided by AWS. So by using high-level constructs, developers can easily adhere to AWS best practices for security, reliability, and scalability. So the AWS CDK is particularly useful for developers who are familiar with programming and prefer to use the power of flexibility of programming languages to define their code for their cloud infrastructure rather than writing CloudFormation templates manually. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and see you guys in future problem.